Do you know the feeling of a bright and sunny day? Well, that's the feeling that I get when I tell a kid they can play. Your butterflies, my poison spiders, your rainbows, my haze. You're a technicolor dream and I'm a nightmare in black and gray. So, so good to be just a little bit bad. And I don't know why, but I don't wanna go back. And I got all this animosity, it keeps on flowing out of me. Don't know why, but I'm just a little bit bad.
I don't know what's so great about spreading suffering and hate, but I know there is no debate on the smiles you could help to make.